Okay guys, so it's finally time to do another rat rod video. Been getting quite a few requests on it, so we want to move on with it. So we're going to go back to doing the front suspension. That's where we were last at. So we're going to get our spring perch mount done. We're going to take this piece of steel and build some new brackets for the cross springs to mount to. Then finish the cross spring mount brackets themselves. So we got a lot of work to do. We're going to get to cutting and grinding and welding. Okay, so remember we're making stuff for the cross springs here, and we got our perch. Just got a finish weld on it, and we got these new shackles I bought. And I was trying to figure out a way to build these because I couldn't find my old Model T mount brackets. So we're gonna work on that some more today. But first thing is we're gonna go ahead and cut the pieces for this and drill the holes so we can get that mounted. And then we'll work on our brackets for the springs. And we're gonna make it out of this old piece of I-beam. I need a 4x4 piece. This I-beam was a 4-inch piece, so just going to measure over 4 inches, cut that off, and do the same thing from the other side, so we'll have two. Okay, so here's the new bracket to go on the cross spring right here. So what I've done is I took an old U-bolt that originally had the leaf springs that axle ran on that old GMC truck. It's 1 5/8 center to center. I marked that on here, and then it's got to be 1.5 inches this way center to center. So we're just going to squeeze it all in, get it where it needs to go, drill the holes. And then what that's going to do is allow us to bolt it to that front axle and get this crap moved. Then we're going to do something similar to this, where we'll be able to bolt it right up to our front axle here. So this will be on the axle. This will be a bracket going back to whatever we decide to do right here. Still don't know quite yet. I'll know more when I get all this bolted up and look at it better. So we're going to get the holes drilled, make sure it all lines up and goes right in on that there, bolts up nice, and then we'll start working on these brackets to try to get that cross spring. Okay, now we'll cut off this old hunk of crap. Make room for the new one. Working now. Check this out, y'all. You know from the other videos I had trouble with my welder, so look. Not working, not working. Oh crap. Starting to feed now. Now it's nice. So hopefully we can make the rest look that good. Ooh, boy, that's much better. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and get the chassis pulled in here and we'll put that new perch mount on the front finally. Oh, man, I need to make that thing a roller soon. 23 and a quarter. Alright, let's try this again. Hey guys, new front spring perch is on. I like that much better. It's going to be much more stout. So I still got a few areas to weld. I will get that all cleaned up and welded and looking better. So overall happy with that. Then got our new brackets. So those are ready to bolt up and make whatever pieces I may have here for it to run back to this. So on that note, I change my mind pretty much every time I come out here and look at it. So I'm kind of curious. I've had a lot of people message me on the rat rod too, so I'm kind of curious on some of y'all's ideas. There's some other people that are building and things like that, and I tend to change my mind every time I come out here and look at it. So kind of curious if you guys have any ideas or anything like that. Leave it in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Go ahead and subscribe. We got a lot more coming. And like the videos. Look over on some of our other things. We've got some lift kit videos that we've done. We did it with Torch Off-Road here. If you're interested in anything from Torch Off-Road, go to their website at www.torchoffroad.com. Use the promo code HARTROCK10. That's all caps. HARTROCK 10. That'll get you 10% off any Torch Off-Road product. So go ahead and go on there, see if they got something that'll fit your truck. Use the promo code and get your 10% off. Subscribe to the channel. We got a lot more coming. Thanks a lot, guys.